I'd choose you in every lifetime.
And I'd find you every single time.
Grok AI is still very much free. Okay, I'm going to be showing you that in this video. Guys, Grok AI is actually free again. Okay, if only you use this procedure I'm going to be showing you in this video. Right now, you don't have to pay any dollars, like $3 or even 30 or $40. You just go straight to the point and create your videos. So this is good news actually, and if I were you, I would stay till the end of this video. Please don't rush this video before you come back and say it didn't work. Okay, watch it properly from beginning to the end so that you don't miss anything important. And if you find it useful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and also share and drop your comment and let me know what you think about this new process. Okay, now without wasting much time, let's get right into this video. Now the first thing you have to do is to open your browser, as you can see on mine already, and I'm going to be using Chrome for this workflow because Chrome is very efficient, and I think you should download it and use Chrome as well. Okay, now when you are here in Chrome, you just come here to this search bar and search for Kie API. That is Kie API, as you can see right here. Search for it. Okay, and then click on this first one that has the A logo. Please always make sure you check for the actual site so I don't go to a redirected site. Do you understand? So this is the actual logo or the actual site. When you get here, the first thing you see is to sign in into this website. Okay, I already signed in, as you can see my photo right there. You just go ahead and pick a preferable email that you want your to use for this particular tutorial. Okay, now click on this explore AI app API rather. Now when you come here, you will see that there are so many tools here, guys. See, look at this place. All the models in this place is 59 models. And what are we talking about? There's Queen image generation, there's OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, there is Kling, there is a lot of them coders. Look at them. There's Gemini, there's Nano Banana, and so many. So when you are done using Grok, make sure you go through all of these models that is present on this API app and check which one you can be using. You don't have to use only Grok for your generations. Do you understand? So now you scroll back up, you see this search models. This is where we are mostly going to work on. Click on this search bar and click on search for Grok rather. Okay, look at it, say one model found. Are you seeing it? So this is Grok Imagine, guys. This is what I'm looking for. Now click on this, try it, right, and wait for it to load. It might not tap at the first moment. Just click on tapping it and yeah, it will show. So guys, when it opens up, you will see that it has as in three major interface, right? It has the text to video, it has the image to video, and it has the text to image. So you can actually use any of them that you like. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using text to image, text to video rather, and click on try it again. Okay, it says so. Guys, you see it has opened up already, right? Now the model type we have for this Grok, just like we have with our normal Grok app, is image to image, image to video, text to video. You have the upscale option, you have the text to image. So like I said, we're going to be using um text to video. Okay, that's what we're using for this tutorial. We just click on the text to video. Okay, so after clicking on this text to video, it will ask you for your prompt. Okay, remember we talked about prompt, so we just go ahead, delete this prompt that's in here, right? Let me just copy everything once so that this video would not be too long. Select all and delete. So after deleting this prompt, I'll go straight to my ChatGPT to get my prompt. Okay, so I already have a prompt here of what I want. I'm going to talk about a couple, a man and a wife in a restaurant. Okay, so this is where the prompt ends. Now I'll go back to my browser and I'll paste the prompt right here. Okay, now the next thing to choose is this aspect ratio, right? Scroll sideways. This 9:16 is for YouTube shorts or Facebook and TikTok videos, but this 16:9 is for normal YouTube videos, which I'm always shooting. So that's the one I use for my videos. Now the mode, they'll ask you funny, normal, or spicy. Leave it at normal, right? Now for the duration, they will ask you for either 6 seconds or 10 seconds, depends on what you want. But for this script, I'll go with 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds is what I want because I already told ChatGPT, give me a 10-second script of a couple, right? Man and a wife professing their love for each other. That's what my script is basically. But if you want the script, let me know in the comment section. I will send you the script. Right, resolution, I'll leave it at 480p. Okay, now instead of generate, you will see run right here. Click on this run and wait for it to load. Guys, let's wait and see what Grok does this time around. Okay, So this is it, guys. It's generating. We're at 26% already. You just hold on, please. When it's generating, don't leave this interface, okay? Just stay here and wait for it to load so that you can see what it created for you. Okay, so this is the best way to use Grok right now, aside paying the $3 or the $40 um subscription fee. Okay, so guys, the video is ready. Okay, let's play it and see what Grok generated. It's still the normal Grok, you know. Okay, it's completed already. Let's play it and see.
I choose you in every lifetime.
And I'd find you every single time.
Guys, this is so beautiful. Guys, it's so beautiful. You see what it did? Everything is perfect. Like, the whole thing is perfect, and I know you like it already. So now that you have played it and you have checked that the result is good, you can go ahead and download it. Okay, you see this button going down, this arrow going down, you click on it and download it. That's how you download the video, right? Just click on it and it will start downloading to your phone. So it's saved already. Look at it. Click on this save and save to files. Click on save and then click on open in. Just click on save to files, as you can see right here. Click on save to files. Generated video, that's a good name. Just click on save. So this is it. That video is saved to your phone already. That's if you're using an iPhone. But if you're using an Android phone, I think you just click on that save and it will store in your phone straight up. Okay, now here is something very important before we end this video. If you want to create another version or you want to continue your story, you can just go back to your prompt, adjust it if you need to adjust it, copy it, and then come back here again and paste it in the box and hit on that run again. Do you understand? This is basically how you do it. Now you can keep doing this to build multiple video clips. Okay, but let me be real and honest with you. In this video, this particular feature is not unlimited. Do you understand? There's a limit to it. So because there's a limit of how much you can create or generate, you have to take note. Once you hit or reach that limit, you can as well go ahead and switch your email, like log out from this email and switch to another email, like we were doing with the normal Grok app before now, right? So once you log out from this main email, you log into another email and then you continue your video generation. You already know how that works. Okay, so this is basically how you use this new feature for those people that cannot afford the subscription. But if you can afford the subscription, I think it's still better and more peaceful. But this is also a way out, because there's always a way out, right? So you've seen what we did with our browser and how beautiful it looks. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and do where to share so that other people that are also bothered about this Grok AI thing can as well get this news and start creating their video. Even though it might have limits, but you still be able to create flawless videos using Grok AI and Imagine. And don't forget to also check out the other models in this website. I showed you other models in this website just now. So when you are done with this Grok, go ahead and also check them. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.